Hi, in this video I will show you how to check recipes on your ZOREST AI app. To check ideas for new meals, you need to tap on the recipes on the main page, and there you have a lot of new meal ideas. For example, we can check griddle muffins, and there you have calories, macros, and how to do that. And you can also automatically log this meal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.